Philadelphia, the birthplace of our democracy and the birthplace of our association. In 1857, Americans were deeply divided and on the brink of civil war. A nationwide system of public education was little more than a dream. Against this backdrop, educators from 8 states in the District of Columbia gathered in this historic city to form a national association to elevate the teaching profession and promote public education in the U.S. It was the first meeting of what would become the National Education Association. In 2024, we've come full circle. As NEA returns to the city of its birth, the Philadelphia Athenaeum, the site of that very first meeting, still stands. Americans are once again divided, but the 3 million members of NEA stand united to promote, protect, and strengthen public education, the cornerstone of our democracy.